denganmu tenang, tak terfikir.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, good morning all. On this occasion, allow me to make and introduce to who I am. My name is Agung Basori Jandiko. Call me Miko. I was born Klaten, September 27, 1999. Currently, I live a boarding house, Pula Indah, Karangasem, Surakarta. Speaking of hobby, my music is one of my hobbies. I can play to guitar and keyboard. Sport is two my hobbies. I can play basketball. I have a dream to make band acoustic and will share a stage with Payung Teduh. Hopefully, my dream can come true. I have two brothers who are still to teach in university. Firstly, Imam Fitri Rahmadi, he is teach in Pamulang University, Jakarta. He has a family and have one child, 5 months age. He is live in Jakarta. Secondly, Sepnu Khairul Iskandar, he is brother Verides. He is graduate Magis in University Negeri Yogyakarta, and end of month October he will graduate and he will teach in junior high school. Next, Imam Fitri Rahmadi, study program Pendidikan Agama Islam, and Sepnu Khairul Iskandar, study program Sport Education. Oh yeah, forget, I study program Sport Education in Muhammadiyah Surakarta University and new study this year. Alhamdulillah, my parents still complete, and my father is Sugiarto. He work farmer, and my mother is Sudiem, work teach in junior high school. I guess that all I can say about this introduction. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.